Ephesians 5:19 and 20 says, "Sing and make music from your heart to the Lord, always giving thanks to God the Father for everything in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ." That is just what we're going to do, sing and make music from our hearts to the Lord at the vocal workshop that I'm going to teach on August 19th to 20th. My name is Melanie Endecott. I'm a vocal coach, worship leader, and choir director in Frankfurt, Germany. I have taught some online workshops for CoGoP UK in the past, and now this time I'm going to be there in person. I am so excited to come. I'm so excited to be with you in person. I'm going to bring so many wonderful exercises. You're going to learn so much about your instrument, the voice, how it works, how to have vocal health. We're going to sing so many exercises together, and I'm going to bring a lot of new content for those of you that have been in my workshops before in the past. It's going to be new. It's going to be great. You will not hear the same thing twice. And you're going to leave this vocal workshop with so much knowledge that will help you be able to sing and use your voice to the best of your ability so that you can go back to your local church, congregation, and bless them in your worship time. I hope you'll sign up. August 19th and 20th will be in the Yarnfield Park Training and Conference Center in Staffordshire. Please sign up quickly. I cannot wait to see you in person. I cannot wait to meet you. Please come and join the vocal workshop. If you're a singer that's seasoned, awesome worship leader, you do all of it, you know all of it, still come. If you're somebody that you're not quite sure if you're a good singer or not, still come. You can grow and learn and have some vocal health knowledge and have some fun exercises to try to really be able to use your instrument and sing and make music from your heart to the Lord. See you in August. God bless you.